So in the previous class we have seen the regular maintenance or corrective maintenance processing. Now today we are going to see the breakdown maintenance. Under this the first category. So first of all, what is breakdown maintenance? So breakdown or malfunction is nothing but a breakdown of the equipment or machinery. In this maintenance, no planning activity is involved. Scheduling, execution and completion are the activities involved in this order type. It is very important parameter in the manufacturing industries to reduce the downtime of the equipment during the breakdown maintenance or malfunction maintenance. And the order type used in breakdown maintenance or malfunction maintenance is PM02. Okay, and these are the steps to be performed under the breakdown maintenance. Okay, so first step is as usual. So the equipment is available in the production planning department. 500 kVA DG generator, DG set, and the production department people have informed to the maintenance department by creating the notification. Okay, so as usual, the transaction code to create a notification is IW21. So go to the transaction code IW21 and enter the notification type M2. Malfunction report. Press enter. Press enter. So here enter the description. For example, I will enter 500 kVA DG not working. Press enter. Under the notification tab, as usual, enter the equipment master record created. The moment you press enter, the other master records like functional location, and before that the system will check whether the equipment is under warranty or not. Press enter. Okay, so here you are able to see other master data like functional location, equipment you got it, work centers, etc. The system will copy all the data from the equipment master record. So here reported by Shaker. Okay, now in the same notification tab, come down, and in the malfunction data there is an indicator called breakdown. Activate breakdown. Activate the indicator breakdown and save the notification. So this notification is created by the production department. So once the notification is created, we need to process the notification. So to process the notification, go to the transaction code IW22, change notification, enter the notification number, press enter, then press enter. Now click on flag icon, that is put in process. So notification is under process, NOPR status. Now in the notification tab, under the subject item, okay, so here object part. Now you select engine, then damage. See here, all you are getting the catalogs now. Okay, bearing. Next, cause, because of overload or high temperature, whatever it is. Okay, so the engine is not working because of bearing and it is because of overload. Press enter. Okay. Now again click on create item. Click on create item. Again engine, damage, gasket, cost code, overload. Enter. Again click on create item. Engine, coupling, cost code. For example, overload. Press enter. Okay. Now click on the reference object, and here you select the priority, high priority. Then press enter. Do you want to specify the new dates? Yes. So you'll get the reference required start and required end date. You got the required start and required date automatically. Now click on the items. Click on the items. So it will display all the items now. Then click on the task what you need to perform. And here you maintain the task. So replace bearing. Then replace gasket. So what are the activities to be performed? Replace coupling. Replace bolts and nuts. So do inspection. So I selected the task. Once you enter the tasks to be performed, select the line item of the tasks and click on flag icon, that is release. Now tasks are released. Now if you click on activities, so you can maintain the activities, what are the activities you are performing. Save. Now notification has been maintained. Again you need to create a maintenance order with reference to notification. Again you go to IW22, enter the notification number, press enter and click on order, that is create maintenance order. System will display the warranty. It will check the warranty. Press enter. Now here order type PM02. So make sure that the order type here it should be PM02. So what the PM02 says? So it is regular maintenance order. So it's nothing but breakdown maintenance order. Press enter. The system will copy all the data. The system will copy all the data from the notification. The system will copy all the data from the notification. Now here you can see everything. Here you got the notification. From notification it has copied all your function, location, equipment, everything. Save the maintenance order. Now notification has been converted into maintenance order. So maintenance order is created. Now go to change maintenance order IW32. Enter the order number. Press enter. Then click on the operations. Click on the operations. Now here we'll enter the operations one by one operations to be performed. So first open the end cover. Now remove the failure gasket. Remove the failure bearing. So what are the activities to be performed? The activities should be listed here. Remove the failure coupling. Next, replace with new gasket. Replace with new bearing. Replace with new coupling. Replace bolts and nuts. And finally, do the inspection. Enter. Enter the inspection. Now, along with this operations, you need to enter the number of hours and number of persons working. So open the end cover. Okay. So 1 hour, 2 people are working. Next, replace the gasket. 2 hours, 2 people are working. Failure, 2 people are working. Coupling. So like this, we'll enter the hours and the days and number of persons working. That's it. So here you need to maintain all the information. What are the activities to be performed? And what are the operations to be performed over here? Now save the maintenance order. So order has been saved. Now before performing, I will create one middle master for coupling. We don't have any master data for coupling. I'll create one master data for coupling. So what is the material type they are using? So 1952, a material number has been created for coupling. 1952. Okay. Now again you go to change maintenance order IW32 to perform all these activities. Enter the maintenance order number, press enter. Now to perform the operations, list of operations what you maintain. What are the list of operations? Click on these operations. Now what is the first one here? Replace with new gasket or replace with new bearing. Okay. So first is replace with new gasket. Okay. So to do the operation, replace with new bearing or new gasket, select the line item and click on this. Now one second, we'll check the material for gasket. Select the line item and click on, there is option called components. There is option called components and click on list. Click on components and click on list. Enter the operation 0050. Press enter. Now here you select that list. So here gasket. Select this, place the cursor on that and click on choose. So from here you got the subcomponents from the equipment BOM. You can recollect all your master datas and enter the requirement quantity. Also you got 4 pieces. Then again go to the operations. Now select the line item of, again click on components, click on list, enter the operation number 0070, press enter. Now here you select the what are the operation. So what are the operation you have performed? So first one is replace with gasket. Now replace with the new coupling. So click on the components, click on list 0070 and press enter. So coupling is not there here. Then we can enter manually. Just now we created a 1952. Enter some requirement quantity 4. Enter 0070. Okay. So 1952 is created as a coupling. Then again operations, bearing, select the component, There is operation. Click on components. Click on list. 060. Press enter. So select the bearing. So you have entered. Now next click on operations. Now gasket, bearing and coupling is completed. Now for bolts and nuts there is no master record. So select the operation. Click on components. So here you enter manually. That is 30 into 80 mm bolts and nuts. Example. Enter the requirement quantity 4 and pieces. Unit of measure non-stock item. Press enter. So 0080 operation. Press enter. That is a non-stock item. Now observe carefully here. For all these are all the stock items. For gasket, ball bearing, coupling. So reservations are to be created. For non-stock item, what happened, guys? Purchase requisition will be created. Now Kishore, here is your answer. Okay, purchase requisition, purchase orders. Those are all comes here now. Then you press enter, save. Then again go to change maintenance order IW32. Enter the order number, press enter. Now if you want to enter the cost, you can enter the cost. For example 800. Now try to click on permits. Otherwise, suppose if you click on release, system will not allow. So click on permits, select the permit and issue the permit. Press enter and click on release order. Once you release the maintenance order, so system says error availability check for order. Error availability check for order means, so there is no stocks for the materials, for the subcomponents. Now you check the stocks for the subcomponents, whether they are available or not. Okay. Now I'll open on the screen. I'll maintain the stock. Go to the transaction code MB1C. Moment type 501. Plant and store location. Now let us say what are the materials you have. 100-120, 100-510. 100-510. 1952. Save. So when you don't have the stock, then only the system will display the message as availability check is required. Now I'm maintaining the stocks for them. So once you release the maintenance order, so what happens in the system? After releasing the order, reservations and purchase requisitions are created. Now again, if you go to order, now let's say for example, I'll go to IW32 again, enter the order number. Now you enter the cost. So click on permits and issue the permit. Select the line item permit and click on permit. Press enter. Now click on this flag icon release order. Save. So after release of maintenance order, purchase requisitions and reservations are created. Now again go to IW32, enter the order number, enter the order number, click on components. Now select the component. At the bottom there is option called general data. So it means for all these three items, these are stock items, and for all these three items, if you click on general data, the system displays the reservation created. Are you able to see guys here? Reservation is created and the movement type is 261. Not only for the first component, you can check for individual components. For select the sub component, click on general data. So reservation is created. Go back. Now you select the second sub component. Click on general data. Reservation is created. Go back. Then select the sub component, general data. Reservation is created. Now if you select the bolts and nuts line item, okay, and click on purchasing data, then the system displays purchase equation created. Yeah, Kishore, here is your doubt. From maintenance, you got the purchase equation. And here one more thing. Below that you observe PO exists. Suppose for this PR, if PO is created, so automatically displays purchase order exists. Now here itself you can maintain some purchasing data information. What is the data? Enter the vendor, purchasing group 001, okay, vendor, so delivery time, etc. Press enter. Save. Once you save, you just observe, you'll get a tick mark for this here. Sort is created. Now again you go to IW32, enter the order number, click on the components, select the component that is not stock items and click on purchasing data. Okay, so it is created. Now create a PO for this PR. Now we'll go and create a PO. Now you copy what is your PR number. Now I'll go to create a PR PO MB21N transaction code. I'll go to the transaction code MB21N purchase order transaction code. In the item overview, you drag the screen and here you have purchase equation. Enter the purchase equation number, press enter. Enter purchase equation number, press enter. Now you observe the system copied all the data here. You observe carefully. See here, bolts and nuts, everything. And here in account estimate category you will get F. F means that is order, maintenance order. So enter some price, plant and show location, press enter. Now you save the PO. Yeah, Kishore. Now you got the purchase order. Now for this purchase order, again you create a GR. Oh, release procedure is there. So you maintain that. item. Okay, save.
Save.
After GR, we'll create an invoice. So like this, your plant maintenance module is integrated with MIRO. So here, now here in the invoice tab, in the basic data, enter invoice date, posting date, tax
Nice.
code, then your PO number, press enter, and enter the amount. How much amount? Save. So for all, this process performed for non-stock items, because now again if you go to IW32, enter the maintenance order, press enter. Now if you click on the components, now see here. So click on the components, you select this, the last component. If you click on purchase data, now see here. Previously you did not get the tick mark, now you are getting tick mark. It means this purchase request is converted to purchase order.
Order.
Okay. So for which line item you have created? For bolts and nuts. Okay. So here the
Okay.
PM module integration with MM module takes place. Now reservation is created for this. Now you select that. If you click on general data, reservation is created. Now we create a goods issue.
Yeah.
Okay. Again is the reservation number 71301. Now go to the transaction code MB1A. Enter the moment of 261, plant and show location, and click on to reservation. Enter the reservation number. Press enter. Now here it displays the requirements of the meeting. Save. And here also it displays your maintenance order number also. So for this maintenance order, we are issuing the goods. So this process should be completed. Once the process is completed, now you confirm the order. Confirmation of the maintenance order IW41. Enter the order number. Press enter. Now here click on select all. Then click on actual data. Now here, if there are any changes are there, you can do. So inspection completed, or you can give some description, or process completed, whatever it is. If you want to do, or activity completed, press enter. Then click on this arrow mark next. Final confirmation or reservation. Next. 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 Now it took some time. That's it. Save. So once you do the confirmation, so what happens? Actual cost also will be calculated. Okay. So once you do the confirmation, now next to technically complete the order. Slash and IW32. Enter the order number. Press enter. Enter the order number, press enter, then click on notification, click on tasks, select the line of the tasks, and click on flag icon. That is complete. Then again, click on the activities. Now here, you can enter the activities. So what are the activities are done? Bearing replaced, gasket replaced, coupling replaced, then bolts and nuts replaced, then inspection done. Okay, then start and end time. That's it. Again, click on the tasks, select the line of the task, and click on successful. Then click on complete. Press enter, enter. Again, go to I-32, enter the maintenance order. Now click on this complete technically. Actually, these are all not required. Okay, so just it's asking something. If you click on press enter, so it is technically completed. Now if you click on costs, again if you click on costs, you can see the actual cost, everything. If you click on the overview, you can see the cost and all. Now we go to transaction code KG80 for overhead calculation. Enter the maintenance order, period August, fiscal year, and deactivate test run. Click on execute. So again, these are all integrated with the costing, that is controlling department. Now it says overhead calculated, and click on the next list level. It will display how much it is actual cost. This is your maintenance order, and this is your cost center 4300, and this is cost element to which account it has been posted. Then settlement of the order, KO88 is a transaction code. Enter the maintenance order, period, year, and deactivate test run. Execute. So here settlement is executed. Now click on this details list. So here it displays the senders, maintenance order senders to receiver, cost center. So this is a variance. Now finally, you need to do the completion of the order. So IW32, enter the order number, and finally click on this complete business. Once you click on complete business, here you have TECO. TECO means technically completed. If you click on the status tab, it will display what is the status of maintenance order. Now at present it is technically completed. Once you click on complete business, it will display closed. Click on complete. So it's completed. Again you press enter. So here you'll get CLSD instead of Teco. And even you can click on this maintenance order status, that is I symbol icon. So now previously displays as technical completed, now it displays the total process is closed. Finally, if you want to see the document flow, go to the transaction code IW33. You enter the order number, press enter, and click on this document flow. The moment you click on the document flow, now see guys, all of you, see everything it will displays. Okay, order assigned, notification completed, all tasks. Okay, estimated cross cost and all. Now here you can see reservations completed, reservations. So here you can see goods issue, confirmation, and here you can see purchase requisition, purchase order, goods receipt, everything, the payment, everything. So this is the total process for the breakdown maintenance. So like this, the system displays the overall your structure. Okay. If you click on it, you can see all the structures one by one. So this is about the breakdown maintenance or malfunction maintenance processing. So in the today's class, we have seen the PM module integration with two modules. One is MM, another is controlling. In the yesterday, in the regular and corrective maintenance, we have seen PM module integrated with CO, controlling. But here, so whenever you have the non-stock items to purchase it, so we create a purchase requisition, purchase order, goods receipt and invoice receipt. It falls all things in your MM part. Yeah, Kishore. In the yesterday's class, you are asking where you will get this purchase requisition, purchase order. So here is a page.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
So
Okay.
tomorrow again we'll see another. Yeah. So tomorrow again we'll see
Hello.
the another breakdown maintenance.
Okay. So, excuse me, sir. Is it possible to come earlier tomorrow by 4:30 to 5:30 or like that?
Uh, yeah, for me it's okay.
For
Guys,
me.
one more thing. Yeah, tomorrow. Yeah, 1 second. Yeah, guys. So what we'll do is
Hmm.
tomorrow. Even I am not available. Okay. We'll
Okay.
have the class day
Okay.
after tomorrow.
Okay.
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 Yeah.
Okay. Thank you.